Hey everyone, welcome to Mark in Maine. Today I'm going to try and do a little improvement. Alright, right now along the bottom there are several holes to let the air flow in. However, the problem I've been having is that sometimes the ash builds up on the bottom and impedes that airflow. I was going to put some up higher, but you see these 3 bricks here. Give me a moment. I'm going to show you how I'm going to use those to hopefully improve the airflow underneath. When I was emptying the old ashes out, I had forgotten that I have a separate piece in the bottom. It's the piece that I cut out from the top. So let me see if I can get that out to show you. All right, it's this right here. So I'm going to take the bricks, put them, I guess I won't need all 3. I'll still use all 3. Just line them up diagonally. Leave a little bit of space. Alright, so my goal is to have the airflow now coming in through the sides. So I'm going to set this right on top, like this. Now obviously some ashes are going to fall down around the edge, but this should create a better airflow for me. So we're going to try that in a minute here. So what I'm doing now is just taking some plain paper and crunching it up to give a good base to start. Shouldn't be too difficult to do that. New, hopefully improved, well, maybe not new, improved mini fire pit. I hope you like my videos. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, share. Any suggestions or feedback is always welcome. And thank you as always for watching Mark in Maine. And the other thing I recommend when you're doing something like this, you'll see I'm crunching up a lot of the stuff because flat pieces really don't burn all that well.